On this episode of Trekking Beyond, I'll be traveling to Dali in Yunnan province, China. I'll be staying in Dali Old Town, also known as Dali Ancient City. Dali Ancient City is one of the most ancient towns in China. This beautiful place is filled of historic sites and traditional culture. I spent an amazing week here, wandering the streets, admiring the traditional buildings, eating the local street food, and exploring the outside surroundings. Some famous spots to visit include the three pagodas of Changshan Temple, the Changshan Temple itself, Erhai Lake, and the famous Changshan Mountains, which are a sight to be seen from anywhere in Dali Ancient City. On the way, we stopped at one of the local villages, and we're gonna have some of the local food here. Some stuff probably we have never eaten before. This is what it looks like here. This beer is called Wind, Flower, Snow, Moon, famous Dali beer. There's really like flowers in it. See? It's the flowers. It's like a local specialty here. And the people here. Baizu. Some places I recommend to see include Xizhou Ancient Town. This town has over 1,000 years of history. You can enjoy and experience the Bai ethnic people's traditional architecture and houses. There is also plenty of street food to enjoy. My next recommendation is Zhuchang Village. This village is called the Land for National Tie-Dye. Visit one of the family's workshops to learn how to make tie-dye cloth and learn their traditional techniques. Along the way is the famous Erhai Park. This park is the best place to view the lake and the Changshan Mountain in one beautiful scene. You should also visit Shonglang Town. This is the most scenic town around Erhai Lake, and it offers over 1,000 years of the Bai ethnic people's culture. In this town, you can enjoy their slow temple of life and peaceful surroundings around their beautiful architecture. We're in the historical small town of Xizhou. All the buildings here are like really old. It's like filled with egg.
喜洲爸爸，多少钱一个？15一个。哎，好，来一个吧。好，
还有这个吧。
这个多少钱一份？8块。
I'm gonna eat this next. Quoi?
要有10币啊，要有10少的够，10人家10币。
过年他人多。
They take the pearls out of these and clean them in there. It's just moving around.
你试一下，意思是？小心喝酒。
没事。对，它只有我们专家界那个毛。
Old tree here. We asked one of the locals, it's like around maybe 400 years old. That's crazy. Look at it. Xizhou.
My friend's making me try chicken foot for the first time in my life. I never tried it before. I lived in China before and I said I would never try it, but the chicken foot is there. I don't want to try this, but I guess you only live once, right? So I kind of just try everything. Even if it tastes bad, I'd say I tried it. Okay, this is ours.
这边那个比我在兰州吃都贵3块钱。
但是有什么支出这边房
不过可以理解。
对。葱花要吗？
要一点。
It's my last dinner tonight in Dali. I'm leaving tomorrow. Flour soup, tofu. This is a fish, but I can't think of the name of the fish right now, but I have to try. Lotus with like the ear mushroom. Pig feet. There's pig feet. Oh, first time tonight.